Sick of searching for product photos and trying to bend a logo onto them? Now there's an easier way. With Firefly Boards, you can generate mockups instantly. And in this video, I'll show you how to put your brand on 10 different products. And stick around until the end because I'll even show you a bonus, what your mockups look like in a video of someone wearing an actual t-shirt and hat at a trade show. Let's get started. First off, we're going to be using Flux Context Pro. Keep in mind these cost credits. Let's start simple with a baseball cap. First, upload your logo or brand assets into Firefly. Next, the prompt. I'll select my logo first, then select Edit, and then Flux Context Pro. Then I'll ask for the baseball cap in white with a purple logo. Next, let's try it in purple. To do this, we'll select the white cap, and then in the prompt, we'll ask it to make it purple with a white logo. The great part is Firefly lets you customize colors and even change product styles. So if you want a hoodie instead of a t-shirt, or a different style mug, you can generate variations instantly. Now the t-shirt. First we'll select our logo, then again edit and edit with Context Pro. And for the prompt, just a white t-shirt with our logo on it. Now you'll see the logo turned out to be too large. I'm going to fix that with another prompt. I'll use Enhance Prompt to make sure it knows what I want. Now let's see it in purple. To do this, I'm selecting the white t-shirt as a reference, and again using the Enhance Prompt to make sure it's the same purple as our logo. And let's see it on a model. First in purple, and then in white. And lastly, let's gather these onto an artboard. The mug, a classic office swag item. Selecting the logo again, we'll ask for a white mug. Now let's also reverse the logo. Again, selecting the white mug and asking for a reversed version matching the purple color of the logo. Number 4, tote bag, eco-friendly and stylish. First, we start off with selecting the logo and asking for a tote, and we'll use Enhanced Prompt. Next, in purple, using Enhanced Prompt so it gets the purple right. Lastly, let's create a version with a model wearing our tote. And let's gather our assets onto an artboard. Next up, number 5, sticker, so your logo can be placed anywhere. Next, we're going to ask for a purple circular sticker with a white logo. And finally, we'll ask for it on the back of a laptop. Next up, notebook, perfect for stationery branding. Let's ask for a purple notebook with a blank studio backdrop. Next, we'll ask for a white one. And also a desk with the notebook on it. Lastly, let's do a desktop with both the notebook and the mug in it. To do this, we'll also select the mug as a reference layer. In the prompt, simply ask to add the mug to the desk. And lastly, let's collect our items on our artboard. Next, number 7, phone case, small but bold. Let's ask for a phone case in purple with the logo in white. And on a desk, and in a hand, with a dark background so it stands out. Lastly, let's collect all our options on an artboard. Number 8, water bottle, trendy and reusable. We'll ask for a water bottle with the logo on it. Let's do both purple and white. To get the right type of water bottle I want, I'll use Firefly to generate a few options first. Then I'll use it as a reference for our branded version. Next, I'll ask it to reverse the colors so that the water bottle is purple and the logo is white. Lastly, I'll create a desk setting for the bottle and a notebook. I'll do this by referencing our notebook in the prompt. In the end, I have 2 water bottles and 2 color variations. Next up, business card. Every brand needs one. We'll ask for the front to be purple and the back to be white. I'll also add the information for the back, asking for a sans serif font. Next, we'll mock it up with our mug by using the mug image in our prompt. Now let's gather our assets and add them to an artboard. And finally, number 10, signage. Imagine your logo up on a storefront. First, we'll ask for a circular sign, making sure it's 3-dimensional and outside. Next, we'll ask for a white sign. And lastly, a purple sign with a white logo. Now let's collect our assets onto an artboard. Woohoo! You've made it this far. It's the bonus. You can use Firefly's image to video to create a scene with your branded items. This can really bring them to life. It's a great way to see how your mockups translate into the real world, whether for client pitches, presentations, or social media teasers. How do you do this, you ask? Well, here's what you do. First, create a new version of your model image. In the prompt, include that she is talking to business professionals at a trade show. Then, using that image as a reference, create a video. Keep in mind this can use up a lot of credits depending on how long your video is. And that's it. 10 branded product mockups plus a video mockup, all created with Firefly Boards. If you want a full beginner's guide on how Firefly Boards works from the ground up, check out the link in the pinned comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe.